Are you looking for the best Chinese drone under $200? In this video, we will look at some of the best Chinese drone under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Drone AE3 Pro Max. The new AE3 Pro Max GPS drone 4K dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi, FPV 3-axis gimbal professional obstacle avoidance quadcopter RC awakens a sense of wonder that connects imagination with the open sky. It turns ordinary views into breathtaking memories, letting you experience the world from angles filled with light, emotion, and movement. Every flight feels alive, filled with precision and calm, allowing your vision to unfold naturally as if the air itself guides your path. Crafted for explorers who crave freedom, it captures every detail with artistic depth and stability. The design blends elegance with strength, giving you confidence to fly higher and see farther. Its intelligent balance system creates smooth, graceful motion that makes each journey effortless, yet unforgettable. From sunrise colors to golden evening skies, the new AE3 Pro Max GPS drone preserves the beauty of every moment with cinematic charm. It inspires creativity, passion, and a connection to the world beyond reach. Whether capturing a quiet landscape or chasing adventure, it becomes your silent storyteller in the sky. The feeling of control, the rush of discovery, and the serenity of flight merge beautifully in this creation that speaks directly to the dreamer within. Number 2. Drone L600-2pro. The L600-2pro GPS drone professional screen control, 4K high-definition camera, 3-axis gimbal aerial brushless obstacle avoidance quadcopter toys brings together emotion, freedom, and creativity in one powerful experience. It captures the world from an angle where beauty feels endless, allowing every journey to become a story written in the sky. Each takeoff invites adventure, turning still air into motion filled with grace and precision that touches both heart and mind. Its smooth aerial control makes you feel connected to every movement, as if you are painting the horizon with your imagination. The harmony between balance and vision creates scenes that look alive, rich with color and depth. Whether it is the calm glow of morning light or the golden hue of sunset, it turns every moment into art. The L600-2pro GPS drone transforms flying into an expression of emotion rather than just technology. It awakens your sense of curiosity and inspires you to explore the unseen. Perfect for those who believe in chasing dreams beyond boundaries, it becomes more than a drone. It becomes your personal window to a world waiting to be discovered. Number 3. Drone LU30. The LU30 drone 4.5-inch screen control high-definition aerial photography, GPS brushless aircraft obstacle avoidance, drone brings a feeling of freedom that reaches beyond the limits of sight. It transforms every flight into an experience filled with emotion, wonder, and creative energy. Each movement in the air feels smooth and alive, capturing the world below with a touch of artistry that makes memories everlasting. Designed for dreamers who see the sky as their canvas, it connects precision with passion in perfect harmony. The powerful control and steady balance let you explore landscapes with ease, turning ordinary surroundings into breathtaking masterpieces. Every captured frame speaks of beauty, balance, and discovery, moments that tell stories without words. The LU30 drone carries the spirit of innovation while keeping the heart of adventure alive. It makes you feel part of the endless horizon, where imagination flows freely and every journey feels meaningful. Whether exploring nature, recording moments of joy, or creating cinematic memories, it brings emotion and clarity together. This is not just about flying. It is about feeling alive, inspired, and connected to a world seen from a higher, more beautiful perspective.